So hi guys, when you leave your house, car or your office, what you carry with you? It must be a mobile phone. And because of increasing number of mobile phones, the demand of Android application is being on the peak these days. But to develop Android application, you require a technical skill, proper background and much more. But these days, because of AI, you don't need to anything. You only need to subscribe Saqib Iqbal Digital, and I will teach you how to develop an Android application using AI, which is the main topic of today. But before going on, we have to make sure two things. First of all, you have a Google account to start this video, and second thing is this: make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so every video will be on your way. Okay. So first of all, let me just go to the browser section. Okay, so I am on the browser. What you need to do is just go to Google AI Studio. Okay, just go to Google AI Studio. It will show you like this. Okay, I just browse for it. So this is how Google AI Studio looks like. What you need to do is you just have to make sure you have an like Google account, must log in before using it. Okay, so it says okay, got it. Okay, so in the bottom of this screen, you can see my screen. I have a pro subscription of Google AI subscription, which is around 5,600 Pakistani rupees without tax, and with tax it costs you around 6,000, maybe 300 or 400 around. Okay, but you don't need a proper subscription. You can also try with free limit as well. Okay, what you want to do is there are two things actually. You can also directly go from this search bar and select this, build an Android app, and if you build that Android app, you can also go from here. Okay, so my apps also shows you the recent developed apps. Okay, so first of all, right now we are going to create a simple calculator app for today's video, so you can better like later on test your test cases with it. Okay, so what I want to do, I just tell him, okay, so develop a simple arithmetic calculator. Okay, just it. Okay, one thing what you can do also, like here is also many other options, but I don't do anything. Okay, what you need to do is you can just also upload files. For example, what is meant by files here? If you have an app logo, if you have any particular colors, if you have anything to share with the Google AI Studio for your Android application, you can share, but I don't want to do it. Okay, it shows me something that includes a history log and support basic. Yes, if I click tab, so it shows. Okay, then I click on build, you start building. Okay, so it shows it will go to the Google AI Studio main interface, where it helps you to develop an Android application. Okay, where you can see the code, you can see you can see a preview of the app, you can also install the mobile phone application in your mobile phone, which I will show you how. Okay, so how it is going now, it is like it is using Gemini 3.5 Flash, which is the latest model by Gemini, like Google, and now it is start building. In some time we have to wait. Okay, so it's showing me Gemini 3.5 Flash running for 22 second, 23 second. It decently like took some time. Okay, so something is in front of my screen. What I can do is here you can find. Okay, so let me just dissect this whole section for you. Okay, so here is like the chat box where you can talk with the, what is this, Google. Here is the preview section where you can also preview the app, you can also see the code. Here is the file section where, like right now it has only one file, but in some time you can see multiple types files here. Okay, as well. Okay, and then if I go to back to preview, here you can also see multiple options which is regarding the template. Okay, so if I change this, okay, it is asking me like just like let us know which design you love, so you can like move on next. Okay, so I can like choose which I like actually. High density, I like this one. For example, this is for example. Okay, so I just like select this design, and now it start developing the application for you. Okay, you can also remix this app. Remix means if you have an app, you don't want to change it, but you want to clone it or copy that application and change something, so the real application will remain as it is. Okay, so that's the thing where you can also control the versions as well. Okay, share, you can also share this application with the what is this, like open something like this here. Okay, right now I cannot do anything because the application is like under development. Hey, you can copy link and share with your friends. You can also publish this app. Okay, so publishing on and like Google Play Store is not right now possible, but you can also public in the Play Console, Play Console where you can share with your friends. Okay, then the next option is versions, where you can control the versions of the app. Then there is a secret. Okay, so what is the secret? Secret means there is an API key. What is the API? You can also watch the link. I will attach somewhere the video of the API application protocol. Okay, application something like this. API. What API do actually? API. Okay, so if you send a request to the particular application, for example, if you're using an AI, you need to be understand this very well. So this is Google. This is Google, and this is your application. If I okay, so this is Google and this is your application. Your application send a request for the AI to the Google, and it send the request back, but it is not possible without the API. Google has an API that is integrated within your application, and when it sends a request to the Google understand it and then reply back to the application user. Okay, so this is how API works. For the detailed video, you can watch my API video in the channel. Okay, so this is a Gemini API key, which is default set in the account because I'm using the Google account, and this is GitHub. GitHub, I love GitHub. GitHub is a repository for the code actually, where you can okay, so you don't need to like separately go to GitHub, and you don't need to upload the code there, but you can also do everything from here. Okay, so first of all, I already connect my GitHub account with my Google account actually, so that's why it appears like this. You may need to connect it first, and then it will be visible for you. Okay, then for example, I write here simple calculator. Okay, repository description is it is a simple calculator. Okay, so visibility public means that this will be visible to everyone on GitHub, but I don't want to get visible. I just need it for myself, so I just click on create repository. Okay, so it will create a repository on GitHub, and in the future, for example, if you changes anything in your application, it will also create like do the version control for you. Okay, so for example, if I change anything and I just click on stage and commit all changes, it will upload the updated code on the website on the GitHub as well. But if you don't want to connect with the GitHub, you can also you can also download that code. Okay, I will show you how I could. Okay, so come on the code. Actually, here you can, if you click on export button, so you can see like two things: export to anti-gravity. So internet anti-gravity is IDE, Internet Development Environment. So this is very cool, but I don't use anti-gravity. I just use like Google AI Studio, which can be accessible for everyone, because if you go to any environment which is specifically for the coding persons, for the coders, so a layman person cannot understand it, but you can also download it as a zip file. Okay, just a few minutes ago I tell you like you can see a multiple files here. You can also change anything which you want if you understand the code. I understand code in somehow, but I don't know anything. I don't do anything. I just tell the AI, and it will do for me. One more thing, the language it is appearing is a Kotlin. Kotlin is a cross-platform functional language. Okay, what is a cross-platform language means? So if you ever if you ever be a developer before, so Android Studio is the main IDE to develop an Android applications. And what is the main what makes it crazy? You can also build an Android application with the same language, and you can also build the iOS applications for the iPhone users. Okay, so Kotlin is a language which is used for the cross-platform application development. If you build that application in Windows and extract the APK file, APK is executable file, which I will tell you later. Is if you extract the APK file, it will make that Android application. If you build and extract the API in the Mac operating system, so that application, that APK or exe file will be executable in the iPhone, for the iPhone user. So with one language, you can also develop an Android application and also develop an iOS application. But right now I am using Windows, so that's why I only I can extract the Android application. Okay, so what I can do, I just go to preview, and in some time it will like, okay, so don't stop it until it like stop. Okay, how you can know like either the application is stopped or not? So here you can you can see like the generation, the AI code generation is still running on. Okay, so don't stop it until it will allow you to ask anything. Okay, so right now it is building something. Let me wait for some time because it is running from 465 66 seconds. So let it just build something for us, and until it is built, so we will come back. Okay guys, so our application is just ready. It took around 723 seconds, which I calculate is around 12 minutes. Okay, so if I scroll down, it shows me like many other things, like these are the things which they apply. Okay, so this is time how to test the app actually. Okay, so first of all, here it says degree, and then it says like scientific. If I click on scientific, so scientific like some formulas or some things like functions are visible on the screen. If I can click on it, so it is hide. So if I click on the side button, it shows me the history. And then this is the main like section where the like I can enter the numbers and show it will be appear here. Okay, let me just do the basic math. 2 plus 2, so it will equal to 4. Okay, I just press equal, and then I click on cross AC, I reset, and then I click, if I click on history, so okay, so this is save, and I can also copy it, delete it, and clear all the history out there. So this application is like working properly. But before to check anything further, what I need to do is I just go to publish, and I just go to GitHub, and it shows me like loading the files, and I click on stage and commit all the changes to the GitHub. So my GitHub repository will be updated. Okay, so we are uploading our changes. Okay, so before, okay, so now it says no changes. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, so now this is a, okay, so this is a version control. This is also working fine. Okay, what I need to do next, I need to check the code files, and I just click on the, okay, there are many files. You can also add a new file here. Okay, but you can also just like minimize all of them like this. Okay, one more thing, you can also like increase or decrease the size. Okay, so you can also like do like this, do like this, anything. Okay, you can also go to file, and you can also like edit those files. So these files are editable. Okay, and second thing is this, what I need to do is just I download this this like files as a zip file. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, what I need to do is I need to check it and install my on my mobile phone. Okay, so here what, okay, here you can like, when the application is here, you can see three options. Number one is this reload the app. If I click on this, it will reload the whole application for you. Okay, so this is the simulation mobile, which like you can also do like this. So this is the home screen. Okay, and here is your application. If you click on it, so it will appear on the screen. Okay, so preview is already saved to update, save. So preview is like change updated. Okay, and next thing is this full screen. If I click on full screen, so mobile simulator mobile is on the full screen. Okay, and if I want to leave this, so I click on this. So you can also press the escape button, and then there is a install button where you can install this application in your mobile phone. Which, okay, so now you are on the screen of my mobile phone as well. What you need to do is when you click, like when you connect the mobile cable with you, so you saw these options like charging only, file transfer. So I click USB tethering. Okay, so I click on it, and then I just go to settings, and then I just scroll down and just go to about device, and then I go to version, and here I find a build number here. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to click it 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so here it says you are already a developer, because I already in the developer mode. But if you do this, then you will be in the developer mode, which is necessary. Okay, then I go back, simple, and then I search here only the USB. Okay, I have to like turn on the USB tethering. Okay, so USB debugging, and then I have to turn on this USB. Okay, so everything is done. All of these, if you don't know what to do, so all of these things are here. Okay, then I click on install via USB, and here you can see the mobile on my desktop as well. Here I need to connect, and you can also see a notification, always allow this computer to debugging, allow, and it will start installing that application to your mobile phone. It is uploading APK and then downloading the APK and artifacts, actually everything on your device. Okay, when it is done, it will show you. Okay, so if I come to my screen back, so this is a calculator app which I just developed in Google AI Studio, and you can also like test it here. For example, 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. Okay, and then I have to click on 6, anything, like I just like click on this, so this is 49. Okay, then I just like click on this, so this is working fine. And then if I click on this, so okay, so sign 0 is error, it is error, I don't know, like I just want to test this. Okay, so this application is working properly fine in my mobile phone as well. So this is my mobile phone application. If you can see this, so it is working very fine. You can also see these this screen recording on my video as well. So let me just like okay, one more thing which is very necessary actually, which is like if you are in the developer mode, you cannot use what is this, you cannot use the banking apps. Yes, which is not a good thing. You cannot use the banking apps because you must like exit the developer mode, then you can use it. Okay, then if I want to change anything here, I can also use like anything here, but this if I do any changes, it will be like go far away. Okay, what I want to do is just I go to the back to start, and when you again come over here, so you go to my apps, and then here are two apps. Okay, so calculator app and then the word clock app. Okay, so here you can also like click on it, so that you again come on the screen where you just develop it, and in some time it will like load the preview of the app for you. And you can also like remix the app. Remix means just copy this app and do new things, so your main application will not be like disturbed. Okay, so I hope so you like this video, and just go to Google AI Studio and apply each and every step, and then later on like you can also apply your test cases with what you have in mind. You can also easily develop this mobile application in Google AI Studio. So this is only about the development. I will not show you how to upload it on Google Play Store, which is a separate topic. You can also search on Google as YouTube as well. Thank you so much. Before leaving, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are watching this on Facebook or LinkedIn and any social media, make sure if you like, subscribe, follow, or whatever you saw there. So I hope so this add a lot of value to your routine, to your work, and in the AI journey. This is Saqib Iqbal Digital signing off. Goodbye.